Instagram has just hit a jaw-dropping milestone that's got nearly 2 out of every 5 people on Earth scrolling, liking, and sharing on the app. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. The announcement came from Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg, who last reported Instagram's numbers back in 2022 when the platform had crossed the 2 billion mark. Fast forward to 2025, and that number has skyrocketed by another billion, a number that firmly cements its place as one of the most dominant social platforms on the planet, leaving us saying, didn't see that coming. Remember when Meta snapped up Instagram in 2012 for just $1 billion, when the app had no revenue generating option and it was just a place for us to post our regular squared photos? And now, 13 years later, that investment looks nothing less than a legendary vision. Instagram is now set to generate over half of Meta's US ad revenue this year alone. So what's the driving force behind all this? Reels. Introduced in 2020, the short-form video feature has become Instagram's not-so-secret weapon in the battle against TikTok and YouTube Shorts. It's engaging, addictive, and algorithmically brilliant. It's exactly what today's fast-scrolling users want. While TikTok reportedly sits at 1 billion monthly users, Instagram hasn't only caught up, but it's even far ahead in the competition. But with the social media space growing more crowded and cutthroat, it's Insta's innovation that's keeping it ahead. From your regular photo app to global digital platform, Instagram's journey is nothing less than iconic. And with 3 billion users in their hand, this app is far from done. How much time do you spend in a day watching Reels? Let us know in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.